Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to verify your Facebook account. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the menu option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply scroll down. Tap on settings and privacy. Now then tap on settings. Now tap on see more in account center, and now you can just simply scroll down. You can see the option show that your profile is verified. Tap on it, and after this you can now tap on unlock benefits. Tap on sign up, and you can just simply continue to verify your profile, and this is the way you can verify your Facebook account. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.